In this question, let's see. The marks obtained by several grade 10 students of a certain school has been grouped and tabulated as follows. Okay, class intervals given. There is a mid value also found and frequencies were given. Okay, let's find the remaining mid values. What do we need to do to find our mid values? We have to add our lower interval and upper interval. Okay, lower boundary and upper boundary of the class interval, and we have to divide that one. So 21 plus 30 should be divided by number 2. That means 51 divided by 2, that will give you 25.5. Likewise, when we find for next one, that should be 35.5 and 45.5. There is a pattern. Okay, there is a flow, so you should know that. Okay, likewise you can write up to 95.5. That's all for our mid values column. What is the size of each class interval? Okay, let's find for first one. Okay, to find the class interval, what do we need to do? To find class interval from upper boundary, we need to subtract our lower boundary. This, the highest one is our upper boundary, lowest one. Okay, in a class interval, lower one should be our lower boundary. So upper one is 20. From that, you should subtract the lower boundary, which is 11. So that will give you 9. 9. Likewise, let's find for one more question. Okay, let's find here the class interval. For that, from upper boundary, which is 80, lower boundary 71. When you subtract like that one, again also you will receive your class interval as 9. Okay, so you can check at two places. Okay, check at two places. If those values are same, you can conclude what is the size of each class interval. So you can write it as 9. No need to write find for each and every cases. If you find for two cases, if those are equal, you can conclude it as it is. Then final one is to find the model class. Model class means the class interval which is holding highest number of frequency. That means this is the highest number of frequency. So its particular group should be this one. So model class is 51 to 60. That is our model class in here. That's all for this question.